Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, Earth sign. This is February weekly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you, Capricorn. What are the messages for Capricorn? Tower, Justice, Nine of Swords. King of Swords, the Empress and King of Wands. King of Swords, the Fool. And one more card. Nine of Pentacles. Under the deck, Queen of Pentacles. Capricorn, you're concentrating on your career. You are investing energy on yourself right now. Yeah, because Nine of Pentacles is also here. You're working hard towards your goals and you will achieve definitely because this is here. So let's see your reading. Recent past, the Tower, Justice, and Nine of Swords. There is separation for some. For some, there is no contact situation. What I'm getting here. This separation maybe causes Tower movement for you, even though you want to cut them off because there is no equal give and take. Maybe for some it could be third party situation. Maybe you person non-committal. The reason could be anything, but you cut them off. What I'm getting here, even though it is causing Tower movement for you. And you are also thinking about them a lot. You are getting a lot of thoughts about them. Nine of Swords energy when you are alone especially. Okay, but after that Empress, Knight of Swords and King of Wands. But you overcome this and this pain, these thoughts, whatever energy you overcome, and you will stand by this power now. Yeah, Empress. Now you are like this. You are very grounded. You are very powerful, Capricorn. But I think it is your person coming back to rushing towards to communicate with you, Capricorn. See, communication. And King of Wands. I think it is your energy what I'm getting here, not about the person, because you are very attractive, you stand by your power and you are very grounded. I'm getting it's your energy. But what I'm seeing here, your person also very powerful and grounded, maybe having some ego problems, what I'm getting here, because you both are very powerful. Near future energies, King of Swords, the Fool with Nine of Pentacles. Some community, some communication, some clarity is coming. Yeah, because Knight of Swords communication, they're rushing towards you to communicate with you, Capricorn. And King of Swords, I think it's you are very straightforward in nature and you always speaks truth and you are always honest in this connection. I think you want to give clarity to this person. And yeah, you started your life concentrating on yourself more, investing energy on yourself, going with the flow, living in the present moment, and you are more concentrating on your career more than anything else in your life right now, what I'm getting here. Yeah, and you will achieve this and there is a lot of abundance coming in your way, Capricorn. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, but a lot of air energy. So let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you, then we'll get more clarity what's going on. Under the deck, Three of Wands. Yeah, this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Maybe they are waiting for you. They're waiting for right time. So let's see your person current feelings first, Capricorn. Of Swords, Two of Wands, King of Cups, their feelings, and Ace of Swords, clarity coming. Yeah, they are stuck on you. Definitely they're thinking about you a lot, but they're feeling stuck when they're thinking about you, Capricorn. And Two of Wands, yeah, lot of thinking going in your person mind, and they're wondering about you a lot. And King of Cups, yeah, there is love. Definitely your person have love for you. They want to offer this cup of love to you, but this could be long distance, and communication clarity is coming. So let's see the near future actions towards you. Capricorn, your person near future actions towards you. Emperor, Nine of Wands. Again, Ace of Swords. I think communication and clarity is coming, what I'm getting here. I think communication is the key here in this situation right now. Emperor, yeah, they really want to commit to you, but there are, I think, some ego problem because the Emperor is here. And Nine of Wands, yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. This is not about guarded up. They're thinking, because Two of Wands with Nine of Wands, they're thinking about you. And Queen of Swords, they want to give clarity. I think in this reading, King of Swords and Queen of Swords were coming. Definitely you both are very straightforward in nature. Definitely some communication, some clarity is coming. So they will call you soon, and there will be communication between both of you. You both will get clarity through this communication. See, Ace of Swords. So like the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But lot of fire and air energies here. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and outcome. Cap. Four of Cups, they're feeling sad for the missed opportunity. Yeah, they're getting the strength to come back to you, and literally they're undergoing some tower moment. I think you both are in separation. I want one more card. Yeah, they want this reunion with you, and Four of Pentacles under the deck. Maybe they're having hard time to express their feelings in past, but now they want to express their feelings because Four of Pentacles in straight and Four of Wands. You both could be twin flames also. Definitely your person want this happiness with you, this celebration with you, Capricorn. So let's see from your end the outcome. See, the Lovers. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. Under the deck, King of Cups. 2 times King of Cups came. Definitely your person have so much love for you, and maybe they are going to be express their feelings to you. And the Lovers, the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. 7 of Pentacles. You also invested in this connection, and you also waiting for them to come back. What I'm getting here. So I am seeing separation. If you are not in separation for some, they are going to be express their love, and this is going to be next level. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Capricorn. Yeah, separation. You also feeling sad for the separation. The Sun, for some children also involved in this connection. Wow, wow, wow. Your wishes are going to be granted. This is your time because you are working hard towards your goals. Yes, if you want this person back, definitely they're coming because things are turning out in your favor. If they're not, in that way also you doesn't care about them because you are very, very abundant and you are emotionally independent. And the Sun, positive outcome, but you are feeling sad. Yeah, they're coming back. There is communication and clarity coming. So let's see your person overall energy for the week, Capricorn. Yeah, they really want to offer equal give and take. In past, maybe there is no equal give and take. Again, Knight of Cups, they have so much love for you. They want to offer this 10 of Cups happiness to you. Yeah, maybe they're trying to manifest back in their life. Wow, I think a lot of water energy, a lot of love. They really want you back, Capricorn. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you. The energy is gaining momentum. Wow. So the energy between both of you, definitely there will be some movement, some communication, some clarity is coming. I think there will be some movement in connection also. Yeah, the energy is gaining momentum. There is love and they're coming back with communication. Clarity is coming. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.